Okay guys, so we're back again, and I think the bacon is done. Let's see if I can get that off. We might have a little bit extra, that's okay. We'll take our bacon, put it here. Yeah, some bacon, and it's gonna be good. Get that good stuff off the pan. Woo! Yeah, and I'll show you. So we got that there, and then we made hash browns, we made eggs, and we made some pancakes and some waffles there. Now, obviously you're going to want to put some ketchup on this. So get the ketchup out, and it's all good to go. Put some ketchup on. Look at that. It's going to taste nice and good. And for the syrup, I think I still have to get it out of the container because it's got like that white thing there. But that's okay, it just means it's a new bottle, it'll be more fresh, right? Yeah, just open it up. And then we got the chocolate chip. Yeah, the chocolate chip ones for the Eggos, they're pretty good. Yeah, you just put some syrup on that and we're all good to go. And we're gonna have a really good breakfast, guys. So this is definitely quite the way to start the day. And there might be some left over. And if so, we'll just share it with other people or eat it later. Alright, I'm signing out.